Paying with a Cash App without a debit card is a straightforward process. To pay select merchants using the app's QR scanner. Start by tapping the payment step to access the home screen. Then tap the QR scanner located in the top left corner. From there, scan the QR code displayed at the point of sale. For online transactions, simply select the Cash App as your payment method during checkout. If you're using a mobile device, you'll be redirected to the Cash App from the merchant's checkout page. While desktop users will need to scan a QR code on the merchant's website and follow the prompts to proceed. Notably, customers are not required to have a linked bank account to use this payment method, as funds are drawn from the customer's Cash App balance. If the balance is insufficient, a linked debit card will be used to fund the entire purchase. However, if there are no linked payment sources and the Cash App balance is inadequate to cover the transaction cost, the payment will be declined.